What's up, guys? We're here in Wisconsin doing the 2-day Saturday, Sunday youth turkey hunt. It's Friday today. We're scouting for turkeys. We've seen a few fanned out gobblers with some hens, and we've already picked our spot where we're gonna go tomorrow morning. But yeah, we're gonna do some more scouting this evening, and I'll catch you guys in the morning. What's up, guys? Well, we were here. We were sitting in that tree right back there. I had the decoys out, and I standed up, and I saw some birds over there. And so we were about to go. I standed up, and there was a bird right down here, a hen. And I saw this guy come right through, right up top. It was about, how far would you say that is? 35, 40 yards, and this guy came up. His neck was nice and red and white, and got this nice Jake opening youth. Sorry I didn't get to video it. We were putting it away just to go, and unexpectedly there was a turkey right there. But yeah.
Nice job, bud.
Oh, there it is.